Are you considering ControlBoard for your church management needs? Before making that decision, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your church. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how it stacks up against other popular church management software, so stay tuned. First, ControlBoard offers a range of features that are great for small to mid-sized churches, including member management, event scheduling, and communication tools. But if you're comparing it to other software, like ChurchTrack or Planning Center, ControlBoard's user interface can be a bit clunky, making it harder to navigate, especially for first-time users. Next, ControlBoard offers solid member management with the ability to track attendance, donations, and group memberships. However, it's missing some of the more advanced features seen in its competitors, like Church Community Builder, which offers more robust reporting and analytics. For larger churches with more complex needs, this could be a deal breaker. The third thing you need to know is that ControlBoard has a mobile app, but it's not as polished as others in the market. While it gets the job done for basic functions like checking schedules or sending messages, it can be a bit slow and limited in comparison to apps like Breeze or Planning Center, which are more intuitive and feature-rich. The fourth thing is its customer support. While ControlBoard does offer support through email and phone, the response time can vary, and some users have reported longer than expected wait times, which can be frustrating when dealing with time-sensitive church operations. Competitors like Fellowship One tend to offer quicker support and more extensive resources. Moving on, the fifth point is pricing. ControlBoard's pricing is competitive, especially for small churches with limited budgets. However, while it's cheaper than some, like Planning Center, its feature set may not justify the price difference if you need advanced reporting or customization. It's a good option if you're just starting out, but more established churches might find the limitations more restrictive. The sixth thing you need to know is that ControlBoard does offer a cloud-based solution, which makes it easy for multiple users to access and collaborate remotely. However, it doesn't offer offline access, which could be a problem in areas with poor internet connectivity, unlike some of its competitors, which offer offline functionality. Next up, the seventh point is its security. ControlBoard takes security seriously with encrypted data and secure user roles, but it's not as robust as other platforms that offer two-factor authentication, like ChurchTrack. If security is a top priority for your church, you might want to consider those options. The eighth thing is reporting capabilities. While ControlBoard does offer basic reporting features, they're relatively limited compared to other software like Planning Center, which provides highly customizable reports, allowing you to drill deeper into your data and make better informed decisions for your church. The ninth thing to know is about integrations. ControlBoard integrates with several third-party applications, but it doesn't have as wide a range of integrations as competitors like Church Community Builder or Breeze. If you rely on other software tools for your church, this could be a limitation you'll need to consider. The 10th point is about ease of use. ControlBoard is relatively easy to get started with, but its learning curve is steeper than competitors like Breeze, which is known for its user-friendly design. This could pose a challenge for church staff members who aren't tech-savvy. The 11th thing to consider is its scalability. ControlBoard is suitable for small to medium churches, but if your church grows rapidly, you might find it lacking in some areas, especially around advanced reporting and automation. Larger churches tend to prefer software like Planning Center, which offers better scalability. Lastly, the 12th point is about community and resources. ControlBoard offers some online resources, but the community support and available training materials aren't as extensive as those from competitors like ChurchTrack, where you'll find a more active online community and a wealth of guides. In conclusion, ControlBoard is a solid option for smaller churches looking for affordable and basic church management software. However, if you need more advanced features, better customer support, or a more polished mobile app, we recommend checking out our top pick. You can try it for free to see if it's a better fit for your church's needs.